Norbu, a young Xizang lad, is an amateur cyclist who also manages an outdoor gear store of his own. To clinch the championship in China's highest altitude bike race, Norbu dedicated his entire summer to strenuous training, building his uphill stamina and sprinting prowess. Finally, the day of the cross-country cycling arrived, and Norbu drew a spot in the middle of the front row. Over 60 participants from all over the country charged onto the track, ready to tackle the 44-kilometer course together. For most riders, the biggest challenge was the high-altitude reaction, but for Norbu, it turned out to be his greatest advantage. As the finish line loomed less than 3 kilometers away, the other riders were left trailing far behind in Norbu's dust. Only the reigning champion, Wei Kuei, took turns leading the pack with Norbu. After a grueling battle, Norbu emerged triumphant as the champion. Standing atop the winner's podium, Norbu knew his long-cherished dream had finally come true. He vowed to venture beyond Xizang's borders, competing in even more prestigious races, to prove that Xizang youngsters can also excel in the bike racing scene.